Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to write a program using C programming language that will ask the user to give length in meters, and then our program will convert the given meters into centimeters value using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharply includes today O.H for input output. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. And then I declare two variables, meters and centimeters, that has a data type of float. So the title of our program, meters to centimeters in C. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give length in meters that will be stored in our variable meters. To convert centimeters equals meters multiplied by 100. So this is the input. And then in this line of code, line number 10 is the process. And then we have here the output. So printf percent f to decimal places meters is equals to percent to decimal places centimeters, meters, and centimeters. Return 0, return to our operating system. Right click, right curly bracket to close the main body of our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to build and run. Okay, meters to centimeters in C, enter length in meters. Let's say we have 9.56 meters. So 9.56 meters is equals to 956 centimeters. Another example, let's say we have 456.9 meters or 456.9 meters is equals to 45,690 centimeters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on meters to centimeters in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now. Wow.